Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video tutorial, I will show how to install ISO game files in Windows 11. Almost all high-end PC games come with an ISO file, and you need to mount it to a virtual drive to install or run it. The Windows 11 operating system, it has a built-in image drive to open and install games that come in ISO file format. No need to install any third-party software to do that. Just right-click or double-click the ISO file you want to install. Then select Open With and choose Windows Explorer. Click Open if you get this prompt window. Right here, the ISO file is opened, and you can install the game by executing the setup.exe file. That's it. Now you can see another drive inside my computer or this PC. This is the virtual drive in Windows 11 that is used to open ISO image files. Here, you can see the file system is CDFS, and the label is shown as DVD drive. After installing the game, you can eject the drive by right-click on that drive and selecting Eject. If you are using any older Windows versions, such as Windows 7 or Windows 10, then use any third-party software like Daemon Tools or Power ISO to open the ISO image files. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.